guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my January favorites, showing you everything that I loved throughout the month of January, my birthday month. So if you've yet to wish me happy birthday, it's happy belated now, but I'll still accept it down below. As always, if you like this type of video, be sure to subscribe. And if you're curious about this makeup, I just did a very vulnerable get ready with me where I'm talking about how I handled kind of going through a breakup in the midst of a pandemic, and talking about that. A lot of rambling and personal information. So if you'd like that, linked down below. But let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk about the combo that I've been wearing on my face pretty much every time that I've left the house during January. I didn't do a lot where it would have required like a full face of makeup, with the exception of talking to you during the day and some get ready with me, things like that. On the day-to-day, this is what I was wearing. So if you watch my monthly makeup basket, which I'll link down below, I did mention this, but I've been wearing the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade 5, mixed with the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. This one is in the shade Medium Tan. So I'll do like some swipes of this all over the face and just a little bit of this, like it's just a little bit of each of them, and it really gives you a beautiful natural second skin look. You already get it with a product like this Smashbox Tinted Moisturizer. I think it is so good. Really beautiful on its own, but there's just something nice about lightening it up even more and getting that beautiful kind of glowy filter that you get from this product when you combine them both. So very powerful together. I've got a bunch of drugstore makeup that I want to talk about. The first is this. I've been using this as a cream contour lately. It's just so easy. It's got that sort of Maybelline Age Rewind thing that makes some people upset. Doesn't upset me at all. Very easy to use, a little bit messy, but this is the Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. I have not used this all over my face. I don't have a shade for all over my face. I would love to try it. This is in 3 medium deep, which makes a great cream contour. So I just draw it all over my face. Really, it's more like probably liquid bronzery over cream contour. It's quite warm, very blendable, sheer, easy to work with, really nice. And then I've been loving this mascara from Rimmel. I love Rimmel's mascaras. This is one of my favorites from them, but honestly, they've all been hits for the most part. This is the Wonder Luxe Volume. I repurchased this recently and it's so good. I'm wearing it today in combination with another mascara. It's a great layering mascara, but also really good on its own. I just like to combine products. I know a lot of time people are like, why are you using cream contour and powder contour? And I just like products. You don't have to use them all together. They still work on their own, but a lot of the time I just like to combine. It's probably the YouTuber in me, you know. We've never been known for doing anything simply and not excessively. Then for my brows, I've really been loving this from Benefit. You know, I'm such a huge fan of the 24-hour brow setter. So whenever Benefit launches a new brow product, I'm always very curious if it's going to compete with the brow setter. And yet, so far, like nothing really has, but this guy is really nice. I find it to be a little bit different to the brow setter in the sense it almost is a little bit more matte looking on the brows. It has a little bit of a different look, but it has the same really great hold, which is what's really important to me at the end of the day. And then I've been using this Lisa Eldridge lip gloss. I really love this, and this is why I love my monthly makeup basket, shop my stash kind of vibe, because I haven't been wearing this, and this is the type of gloss that I would wear on a day like today over like a nude lipstick. It just adds a little warmth, a little glossiness. And if you watched my monthly makeup basket, my Lisa Eldridge lipstick like fell apart during that video, and they saw it and are actually sending me another one, which I was really surprised. I wasn't expecting them, first of all, to watch it, but definitely not to send me a new one. I wasn't complaining just to complain. Why is my face like, do you ever have like just itchy face? Then for blush, I used this in a Get Ready With Me recently, and I haven't stopped using it since. It's so pretty. It's such a good neutral, beautiful blush color. There's not many blush, like this to me is like a high-end blush color. Drugstore blush colors tend to be like pink or like peach or whatever. Like they're very sort of, you don't have a lot of great neutrals for my skin tone at the very least. This is a Quo bronzer, which is like Shoppers House brand. This is their powder bronzer in natural tan, and it makes such a pretty blush. I'll link my Get Ready With Me down below so you can see it in action, but it really gives me like a MAC copper toned, that kind of vibe. Really beautiful matte formula, very buildable as well. Then also from the drugstore, this is a great new serum from Burt's Bees. I love the texture of this, is what really got me. I mean, I love Burt's Bees skincare, but the texture of this feels so good. It's the dark spot corrector from their new Renewal line, which is like a sort of a substitute for retinol, which I think is great. And this has vitamin C in here, which is really nice. You can use it day and night. I use it primarily during the day, but it just feels really lightweight, feels really good on the skin. Of course, it has the dark spot and brightening properties in there, which we love to see, especially from the drugstore. There's starting to be more vitamin C creams. Then also for the face, I just started using this recently, and this is also Fresh's version of an alternative to retinol. This is the Fresh Black Tea Advanced, and I love any of their black tea products. They're definitely a little bit more high-end, but they feel so good, and I was so excited to try this. It's the Age Renewal Cream, the Anti-Wrinkle Firming Radiant, and the texture of this is so nice. I love Fresh's skincare. I love their like blue night cream, so I knew I would love this, and so far so great with this. Using it for the past couple of weeks, the texture is amazing. And then this is also new from Ulla Henriksen. I saw a lot of people raving about this, and I have to say I really love it too. I just had to grab it out of my purse to talk about it, so it's become my new purse lip balm. It's the Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. It's got cocoa butter, acai sterols, peptides in there, and it smells like orange creamsicle. It smells so good, feels really good on the lips, looks like juicy and not too milky on the lips, because I find sometimes if they're a little too milky where my lips are pigmented, it doesn't look as good as it does on someone with like lighter pink lips. But I have to say it looks really pretty on the lips, feels hydrating, lasts a long time, and especially because it is so dry cold in Toronto right now, and I think we're about to get that polar vortex thing or whatever is coming along. And speaking of, actually, something else that I've been noticing is my hands are so dry. I get manicures every couple of weeks, and I really try to do upkeep with hand cream and cuticle oils and stuff, and I haven't been doing a great job, so I've been trying to more recently. So I've been using this Aven Cold Cream Ultra Comfort Concentrated Hand Cream for dry and damaged hands. I really love Avene. You've heard me talk about them many times. I think their products are great, and it's just a really great hand moisturizer. There's some that are like really light and gel-like, say like Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Their hand cream is so lightweight. That's almost like a purse hand cream for me. It's like on the go. Then this one is sort of somewhere in the middle of a really light hand cream and something that's really heavy. But I do like something a little bit heavier, especially for the drier months. And I tend to put this on sometimes during the day if I'm feeling it, but at night for sure is when I put this on. And I try to rub it over my nails as well, just to try and get in there at the cuticles as well, because they can get dry. But that is everything that I loved this month. Be sure to let me know down below what you are loving, and as always, if you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!